My name is Seamus McDonald, and this is update number 1 for the building of Scamp Sailboat number 459. We've just reached the end of phase 1, and phase 1 for me is the assembly of the rudder and centerboard from the foil kit. Once the foils were assembled, we proceeded to finish them with epoxy resin. We used 6-ounce woven fabric for the job, and the centerboard received 2 layers of fabric, whereas the rudder received 1. In working with the foil kits, it was a real learning experience for me in epoxy finishing techniques, and I'm quite happy with how the foils turned out. And it gives me a lot more confidence in proceeding with the larger boat building project itself. So the next step is to assemble the jig. So the jig comes as part of the kit, and it comes in 10 pre-cut pieces, and the pieces fit together just like a jigsaw puzzle. So what doesn't come with the kit is the legs, and I've built 4 sets of sturdy jig legs here, and I've used 2x6 spruce. So the main purpose for the jig is to provide the basic shape of the boat. You can see how it's curved here, and in order for that to function properly, the jig needs to be completely level. So we've got to really check the jig that it's level, and that can be a bit of a challenge, especially because most garages have sloped floors. So my garage floor slopes from back to front, and it slopes about 2 inches in every 10 feet. So in order to compensate for that, I've had to build each set of legs slightly longer than the set before it, and each leg needs to be level with the top set. So in that way I've accounted for the slope of the floor, and I now see that my jig is completely level. So once we have the jig leveled, we can go ahead and loosely fit all the 10 pieces. Just about to fit the final bow piece here, and we'll get that loosely fitted together. And once it's loosely fitted together, as well as being level, we're going to make sure that it is completely square. So once we have it leveled and squared, we'll screw this all together tightly, and then we're ready to proceed with the boat building project. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Rory's holding the screws, Grandpa's drilling, and Ronan, you're putting pressure on it, right?
Okay, screw, Rory.